Hello guys, today's recipe is kelewele. Kelewele. When you're jumpa. So if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to make use of our ripe plantain. We're also going to make use of some ginger, onion, and Negro pepper plus cloves. And we are going to make uses of also salt and powdered pepper. Yes, you can use fresh pepper too. So the first thing we'll do is we are going to grind these ones. We are going to grind them together. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Like and share this video, okay? And so after grinding the the onion and the Negro pepper, we just added the ginger to it, and we are grinding that one also. I'm going to add salt to it. Yes, the quantity of the salt depends on you. Then we will grind it together. You know, if you are using the iodinated type of salt, you can just sprinkle it on the plantain. You don't really have to add it to the ingredient and blend. So I just added my powdered pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to it to grind it and make it smooth. Okay. Okay, so at this point, you are going to work on our plantain. Just peel it, and then we are also going to take out that place. That place is very hard, so we are going to take it out, and we are going to divide them into 4, and then we are going to chop or slice them into the sizes and the shape that we want. So that also depends on you. The size depends on you. The shape also depends on you. Okay, so I'm going to divide 1 into 3, and then I'm going to turn it and then chop it this way. And so you can do it that way, or you can decide to divide it into 2 and then be chopping or slicing them, or you can also just 1 and then you start chopping. It depends. And so that's how we are going to do it. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, okay? When you visit this channel, show me some love, okay? Okay, so we are done with the slicing and chopping. So we are going to pour everything into mixture, into a mixture, and then mix them, but we will do it gradually. And mix it. And we're going to add the rest to it and mix everything together. Okay, so you can set it aside for 30 minutes before you fry it. Yes, I already have my oil on fire, very hot, and we are frying. So as I said, you can set it aside for 30 minutes so that the plantain will absorb the mixture very well before you fry. Just cover and set it aside. Okay, so I'm frying now. Just be checking on it from time to time, and at this point it's well cooked, but I want it to fry more. I want it to fry a bit crunchy, a bit. So at this point it's okay. So I'm going to get them out of the oil and then fry the second batch also. So we are going to fry the second batch. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, okay? And comment on the video. Show me some love by subscribing, by liking, and by commenting, and also sharing. So we are done with the second batch also, and our kelewele is ready to be served. Yes, so you get your peanut or your granite, roasted granite or peanuts, then serve with it and enjoy it. And so this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being part of this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. Watch out for another awesome recipe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.